Hello everyone. I am talking about today how how can we train our mouth. So this is the problem. We don't have any word during the speaking with someone, during the speaking with any places, any new places. So this is the method. If we don't know how can we train inside our mouth, inside our our tongue as well. So this is the also we don't have idea how can we improve our English and how can we talk with a known person. There is no any idea. So we need to speaking. Most of the time we are seeing anything, whatever, whenever, until unless we see anything in front of our self, in front of any places, any good places. We are going to somewhere, at that time we need to speaking with others. There is no need, because there is no environment, there is no atmosphere of speaking with others. So we don't know how can we improve and how can we train our mouth. So if you read something, any short paragraph, short video, you need to just like listen more and more content. We can observe any content from somewhere, from YouTube, anywhere. If any few people those are talking together, so we must be listen those person with attentively, with carefully, and with proper method. If we are listening with attentively, with proper method, so next time it will be suitable. We don't need to just like without listening, without doing any practice, we can speak ultimately. And moreover our mind will be trained, because we need to practice whatever we do, practice. So practice makes perfect. Without practicing we can't, we are unable to speak, we are unable to express our all those thoughts, whatever it comes our mind. So this is the also best method. We don't know how can we improve, but we need to think at that time. And in order to, we need to think whatever we are seeing anything. Just like I'm cleaning my utensils, so I make sentence, I'm cleaning my utensils. So after that I will do another work. Just like I will be clean my kitchen as well as my room, my all home. And then we today, this is special day for us, and we will go for somewhere for doing practice, for doing just like prepare our mind for enjoyment and for full entertainment. We will go with our family members, our children as well, because children give just much more just like mock and um, joking also. So that at least until unless we will be speaking, we will be fun together. It is the also best method. This is not best method. We can spend our time easily and with a good way. And we need to understand, we need to think in English. And whatever any based on any circumstances, any situation, we can make a few sentence. Just like we, if we are drinking water, so we can speak based on water. Water gives us multiple benefits, it is very beneficial for our body. So we must be realize our water, we must be think. And then if we are speaking every single day at least 5 minutes, so this is also best method for enhance this skill every day. If we are improving and we are speaking with our friends and with our family members, this is the also best method. And we can speak for instances. For example, I am speaking with you today. It is scorching day and it is very hot temperature. How can we manage? There is no any means any good atmosphere, so that at least we will be spend our time easily. And then we can make any few sentence for our family members, for our kids, for our children, for our another family. So this is the also best method. And today This it was not special day for me, and we have spent a lot of time with our friends, and then now we need to go somewhere for my sister-in-law, because there is also we can make only few sentence with our best friend. I have also just like I have one friend, I would like to share with her all my good situation, bad situation, whatever it comes my mind. So this is also best method. We can make issues several type of sentence with her. I am able to just like share all those thoughts. Sometimes I feel like depression, I feel like unmotivated, so that's why I would prefer my all situation in front of her, and she gives me any multiple benefits, multiple sentence based on God, based on this person. You must go your right path, and after some time you can see some result. It would be better, it would be very gradually we will learn here, and we are talking somewhere. This is the also best method. We are improving our English, and today I have done a lot of work, and today I feel I don't feel energetic because I had also some health issue. I can't express here. I'm suffering my ear problem, and we can make also some sentence. And if you want to enhance this skill, you will have to speak much more, at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 20 minutes. It's depend on you guys. It's depend only our desires, our ambitions. If we are ready for improving our English, so we will have to speak more and more. If you do practice more and more, so you will be trained, your mouth will be trained without hesitation, without frustration. You can make any several type of sentence, multiple types of sentence. There is no need. And grammar is important or not, so it's depend only our time. If we know basic grammar, so then we can also be without grammar. It's essential role play in our speaking. It's very crucial role play in our speaking. We need to speaking with someone based on grammar, and we are speaking with somewhere. So we if we want to express our thoughts present life, so we will have to make sentence also present tense. And if you talk about any past tense, so we can make also any past type of sentence. So every we need to practice is grammar also. It's crucial role play in our life, in our speaking. So we must be need, we trained our mouth, we trained our hobby, and our just like our thought as well. If we are ready for practicing somewhere with our we can also any shadowing practice. And if we have any this desire, this ambition, so we can fulfill a short period of time. So it's depend on you guys. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it.